Hello viewers, this is Neo with Go To Auto Repair. Today we're working on a GMC Sierra. The customer was hearing rattling coming from the exhaust system. He had gone to the dealer and the dealer wanted $1,500 between parts and labor, most of it being parts, to fix this truck and make that rattle go away. Today I'm going to show you how I'm going to fix it and save my customer a lot of money. This is the flex pipe. We need to have this in the exhaust system to allow for some vibration in the exhaust line. Without this, something will break. But as you can see in this video, it's broken. It has separated. And this is where the rattle is coming from. And here we can see evidence of soot. That is usually indicative of exhaust gas leaking. And now the reason the dealer wants a lot of money to fix this is because this is actually one component with all of this, all the way back to the muffler. It comes in as one piece. However, our muffler and the rest of the pipe is in a good shape, so why replace it? So what I've done in the past, on his first visit, I took measurements and figured out what needs to go in there. When we're measuring exhaust pipes, we use a digital caliper and we measure them from the outside diameter. Now, if we want to find a union that fits, such as the one that you see here on the table, we actually need to measure the inside, and they're normally measured by the inside diameter. That way, you have a tight fit, and it gives you a lap joint when you're welding, which is much better than a butt joint. And now what I've done, I got that piece separated, removed that clamp, and pushed it aside. That way I can start doing measurements, cutting, and welding. So inside the car, I couldn't get a clean cut. So I ended up taking the exhaust system and I'm cutting it and cleaning it on the floor. And I'm going to start welding that piece before I put it back in. As you can see, we put back the exhaust system back in the car. We welded this joint, this butt joint right there outside of the car. And now this butt joint has to be welded inside of the car. Don't forget, if you're welding on a car, you gotta disconnect the negative battery cable to protect your computers. All right, folks, now we have this flex pipe welded in. We also applied some muffler mud to the joints, and this car is ready to come down.